Hi Alto saxophones, welcome back. On today's video, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 19. This page starts by showing us an alternate B-flat fingering in the upper left-hand corner. First finger on both of our hands gives us the alternate B-flat fingering. In the upper right-hand corner, we're talking about the word enharmonics. That's any two notes that are written differently but have the same pitch. And using the piano keyboard as a diagram, they've showed you all of the notes that have enharmonic equivalents. For instance, did you know that B was also C flat? How about that E flat was also D sharp? They're called enharmonics. Enharmonics are used in our first exercise, number 64. The first two enharmonics are shown to you using a shaded purple area. G sharp is A flat. Let's practice our enharmonic equivalents by playing the chromatic crawl, number 64. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. If you need to, use the fingering guide at the end of the book to figure out the notes and the fingerings to the notes that you made mistakes on. Number 65 is the theme from Piano Concerto No. 2 by Sergei Rachmaninoff. This piece has an F sharp in the key signature, it's in cut time, and we'll make sure we need to count through our tied whole notes into other notes, as well as counting our rests appropriately. How we'll start this piece will be like this. I'm going to give you a count in like this. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and go. Bum 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 bum. I'll count that again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and go. Bum 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 bum. Try it with me. Ready? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and go. In cut time, a quarter note rest is like an eighth rest in 4/4 time. It's very brief, very short. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Try that exercise again for more practice. Number 66 is In the Hall of the Mountain King, and it's one of my favorites in this or on this page because of the second measure. It's a very tricky second measure. If you'll notice, the first note of the second measure is marked D sharp. We used D sharp a few pages ago. It's like an E flat. 3 fingers, and the pinky key. Well, the measure starts with D sharp B and another D sharp. It's not marked, but it is a D sharp because it carries through. The next D, however, is D natural, and it is marked. And then there's a B flat and another D natural. So in measure 2, the notes are D sharp, B, D sharp, D, B flat, D. The B flat, we'll play it using our alternate B flat fingering, 1 and 1. See if you can play In the Hall of the Mountain King with me, and watch out for that very tricky second measure. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, ready, set, go. next exercise is number 67, Overture from the Barber of Seville by Gioacchino Rossini. This piece is in 4/4 time with an F sharp and a C sharp. To count this song in, I'll count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Bum, 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 ba-dum. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Because those 3 pickup notes are eighth notes and 4 and. So that's why we count up to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. For more practice, pause, practice, rewind, and review that exercise. The last exercise today is an accent on theory, and you'll need a pencil. It says rewrite each of these notes as its enharmonic equivalent. In number 68, what is the enharmonic equivalent of F sharp? Use the piano diagram at the top of the page to help you find out, and then write that note as a whole note. Then do the same for the next 3 notes, B flat, E flat, and C sharp. And until I see you next time, keep practicing.